Nobody believed in him. No degree, no money, just a laptop, free Wi-Fi, and an obsession to succeed. This is the story of Daniel, a 26-year-old from Ohio, who went from being unemployed to becoming one of the fastest-growing affiliate marketers in the U.S. Hi friends, welcome to new video. Daniel worked odd jobs at gas stations. One day, after being fired during the pandemic, he searched how to make money online from home. That search changed his life. He stumbled upon affiliate marketing. No upfront investment, just learning. He started promoting Amazon products using a free blog and social media. No success for 3 months. Friends mocked him. He kept going. He created a niche blog for home office gadgets, very targeted. He used Pinterest, Quora, and Reddit to drive free traffic. Collision in month 4, he earned $78. Collision month 6, $900. Collision by month 12, $10,000 per month passive income. He invested in paid courses, ran ads, and built an email list, launched his own digital product, and started earning commission plus product sales. By the end of year 2, Daniel was making over $100,000 per month. Today, Daniel mentors young creators. He's helped 100 plus students cross $5,000 per month. He says, success isn't about followers. It's about solving problems. Do that and the world pays you. Thanks for watching our videos.